Why digital advertising to attract international patients is so important today for your hospital or clinic. Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Khalid. I'm a digital advertising specialist and medical doctor. I help hospitals and clinics to attract international patients for their healthcare services using digital advertising. I'm a second generation native German, as you can maybe tell from my accent. I have an Arabic background. This is where my name came from, by the way. I was born and bred in a small town next to Hanover in Germany. As a young medical professional, I was fascinated by two major shifts that happen in the world. You see, I studied at the Hanover Medical School, and I noticed that a lot of foreign patients came to get their treatment here. This was quite new back in 2005, and the trend was very increasing. So I saw the globalization of medical treatments were happening back then. Secondly, I noticed that the internet was expanding rapidly. So you might still ask, why do you need digital advertising to get patients from all over the world to visit your facility? I get asked this question a lot of times. Dr. Khalid, why should we have a digital advertising strategy for our hospital? To make my point, let us look at a hypothetical example. A hospital focused on knee replacement surgery in Munich has international patients coming in from all over the world, or they want to focus on them. They identified their main group of patients are coming from Arabic countries such as the UAE, Kuwait, or Saudi Arabia. Here are the reasons why digital advertising works and is so important. Patients, especially nowadays, look online first. By using digital advertising, you provide information specific to the procedures offered by your hospital within your specific target group. In this example, let's take knee surgery in Munich. The majority of patients look online to find out why they should need knee surgery in Munich, what specific surgeons have their qualifications to do the treatment for them. In this problem, the problem is not lack of money for those kind of patients, but rather a problem of choice nowadays. When you provide information as a specific clinic or hospital of knee surgery in your town or country, and then introduce the experience of your surgeons inside your clinic, you will give the patient what he needs at that time and looks for at that specific time. Mistakes I see a lot of healthcare facilities make. Their information is all over the place, and they do not target specifically in their advertising what they're about. Why, you might still ask, why should your hospital be the one providing information for that patient? Let's further look at the next point. You become top of mind and establish trust. Distinguishing yourself from other competitors and establish your online reputation by using digital advertising give your facility a distinct advantage. Your challenges, patients nowadays have a variety of choices. They will ask, what is the right hospital for me that will give me the specific results that I'm looking for? Where can I have the most qualified physician and team doing surgery on me that I can feel safe? After that, they might ask, okay, and now what country is a good fit for me and my family is taken care of as well? Using these specific targeted digital advertising methods and sharing this information online, you will establish your hospital as a trusted authority and become top of mind for the patient. The next point is, digital advertising is easy to measure and you can adjust your strategies fast. While magazine advertising, for example, can be a good strategy for some, it is not very targeted and you do not know if it really works. As mentioned before, nowadays patients look online for the specific need. and it's the easiest and most convenient form of information for them. With digital advertising, you go where your potential patients are. Then you advertise to them with their specific needs. Plus, you measure and get feedback if your advertising works. Finally, not many healthcare facilities are not using digital advertising correctly. As mentioned before, the focus is on using digital advertising in a specific and effective way as described above. In my opinion, this is a great opportunity for you to stand out there while providing a great service for these patients who are looking for a solution for the problem. To summarize, now you have seen some reasons why digital advertising is important, especially in today's day and age. In the next video, you will see what specific strategies are helpful to become top of mind for your international patients and establish yourself as the go-to place for their medical need. If you like this, please comment below and share it. I would appreciate it. And if you have any questions, please write to me and I get back to you. Talk to you soon. All the best, Dr. Khalid.